Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the effect of the match, how to display post-match training in Football Manager Mobile 2024. So before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game, still confusing how to build up your tactic, how you create your own tactic, formation, and many more. And also, if you want to get this game for free, you can make a subscription in Netflix. You can install directly from Netflix, or you can get it from App Store or Play Store. You have to pay in some amount. And let's get started. If you want to display post match training, so it means after you play a match, a screen will appear on continue, which display the effect of the match on player morale and how much they learn from playing. So for example, like this type fixture, this is the after match event. So this is will display for you. If you wanna see the morale or the rating of the player, let's get back. You have to turn on this tab settings and turn on this display post match training. Turn it on. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.